Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and look what just came in my mailbox today. I am super excited to open this guy up because I have heard that this matches with 3 of the stamp sets that we carry. So let's go ahead and check it out. And then I'm also excited about next month's because apparently there's like a bonus add-on pack. And so if you're subscribed as a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can get the add-on pack for only $10. So, okay, this says the catalog coordination gives you more. So it's got the woven thread suite, which I have the paper. I don't have the stamp set, I don't believe. I've got the Garden Lane suite. Again, I have the paper. I'm going to have to check to see if I have the stamp set, and the Come Sail Away suite, which I definitely have the entire suite. So that is super cool. Maybe I have the woven threads. I don't know. We're going to have to check. I'll let you know when we do the live. And I think tomorrow will be a good time to do the live class. Okay, I'm like, what is this? Like, what's that right there? But it's the top of the box. Sometimes I get a little crazy. So let's go ahead and check out the stamp sets. Look at those. It's got a little medallion, a really pretty shell, and that will go with the last Paper Pumpkin, that little shell. So if you have any of that left over, or if you want to buy, an older one, Paper Pumpkin subscribers can do that if they're available and not sold out. This says, "Hello, friend. You've been on my mind," and look at how beautiful that is. This one says, "You're the best," and then "Happy birthday." We all know somebody with a birthday, right? So that's cool. There we go. And then let's see. The color is Pretty Peacock. And then let's get in here. This is what I love. Move our little box out of the way. And open this guy up. Look at that. I'm already excited. And look, I can already see sequins. Okay. I'm going to tear into this. Okay, so yes, I think tomorrow I'm going to do the live since I got this today. And I know a lot of you got it before I did. So let's go ahead and do our Paper Pumpkin Put Together live. Tomorrow, how about, let's say, 10 a.m.? I think sounds good. 10 a.m. Sunday is what, the 21st? I'm thinking. And I do Pacific time. So for Mountain, it would be 11. Central would be 12. Eastern would be 1. So it comes with the directions here. And you guys know I just take the directions and kind of put it out there. So this contains enough supplies for 9 cards and envelopes. Where can you buy 9 cards and envelopes for $22? All right, this is the little glue dots. They always give you those. And then I have, I don't know if I've shown you, kind of just giving little tips and tricks along the way, but I use the wood cases. And then I just put all my glue dots in there. And they're larger than what they normally are. So these are some glue dots from the past. You can see the difference in the sizes. And then sometimes they even give you teeny tiny little bitty ones. So, but sometimes I don't use all the glue dots. I use the snail adhesive. But you can just put your glue dots right in there. And then keep them whenever you need. Any type of glue, dimensionals fit in there. And I learned that little trick from one of my stamping beauties, one of the ladies who are on my team, and her name is Susan. She has a YouTube channel. It's Shy's Art, and that's how I learned. Isn't that cool? And then we've got some sequins here, and these are beautiful. They remind me of like a mermaid color. So let's see if you can see those. See those there? They've got larger ones and smaller ones. It looks like that's maybe a sky blue, or I don't know. It's really pretty, like pool party maybe. And then this one's shimmery. So we've got those. These are dimensionals. We've got mini dimensionals here, and then we've got dimensionals here. I'm assuming that's what they are, and it's got a round, very thin and round. I don't know if you could see that or not. Let me, I'm going to grab a Sharpie real quick so you could see. So there is a cut right here, and then there's another cut right here. There you go. So you can see, I don't know if we're going to be using that part or that part. And then of course I'll cut up all this extra part for little dimensionals when I need them. All right, let's look here. We've got, this is the garden, what's it called? The Garden Lane Suite. This is some paper, and I'm assuming it's pretty similar paper, if not exact. So we've got 3 sheets of that. And I love this. I think I'm really going to like this because it's going to give us layouts. So even though we're using the Garden Lane or the woven thread, you can use any kind and just use it as like a, not a sketch, but the way we use sketch challenges, kind of a layout. So, and then we've got more paper here. This is the woven threads. And that has, again, a piece cut out here. And then it's got 2 other pieces. One is a just straight rectangle. And then this one is a rectangle with the flags. So we've got 3 of those as well. As soon as I see it, I start thinking like, okay, what are we going to do alternatively? Okay. It comes with 9 envelopes, some linen thread, and then there's a couple of little itty bitty, I don't know if you could see it, it's so cute. They're little itty bitty paper clips, and there's 3 of them. Look how teeny tiny they are. Like, here's my nail, and I have a baby nail. I have a little teeny tiny fingernail, and it is this almost the same exact size. Super cute. And then I told you some linen thread. Here are the bases. We've got some bases here. That's for the cards. And I love that it's white on the inside. So, you know when you make a base out of like black or Mary Merlot or something really dark, even like Pretty Peacock, you can't really see it if you write on it unless you have a white gel marker. So you have to cut out another piece of white and stick it on the inside. This is already done. So like this, that would be really dark to write on, but it's already has on the inside is going to be white, I'm assuming, now that I said that. There we go. Yes. Look at this. That is really nice. And here is the one for the Sail Away. Come Sail Away. It's got some clouds in there. This is a rectangle flag, a rectangle like designer series sheet. And then we've got a, what is this, maybe a 2.5 inch circle, I'd say. Got the sailboat. And then again, it matches so well. I love these for beginners because if you don't know, I mean, these are punched out little, let me show you here. these little guys. But we also have a punch that's very similar to these. So it's cool because you learn by these how to make cards and layouts and what looks good together. And then later on down the line, you might buy the punch so you can do it all yourself and have an unlimited supply. So instead of just 9 cards, I mean, you could make hundreds of cards. So here's another little punch. Let's see if I can grab this one out for you real quick. Now this one, you can tell, is pretty delicate. But look at this. Isn't that pretty? I love it. So we've got that one. I can't wait, you guys. I cannot wait to go and have some live time with you tomorrow. So we've got the base here. And then this one is a card stock kind of crumb. It's actually a craft base. So it's like craft paper, and then it's got the dots embossed already on there. So this is really cool. Now the craft, it isn't white because you can see a black or blue marker on here or any color. So that's cool. And then this, oh my gosh, if they had a punch like this, it would go crazy, I think. But let me show you this one. And you see how easy they come out. And they don't really, if you do it nice and easily, it's not going to break. But look at that. That is super adorable just on its own. So we've got that. And then we've got just some flags for the front of the cards. So we've got some rectangle flags, we've got some rectangle boxes, and then we have these little label type punches. Again, this is another one that we could punch out, something very similar. We have a flag punch. It's so cool, but this is great for beginner. So you guys, that's everything that came in here, but don't forget, we're going to put all of this together tomorrow. So if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, please join me tomorrow. We will have so much fun. And as you know, we make a couple cards that are just as they are in the directions. And then we put together some cards that are just on our own. So I'm definitely going to bring out some of the Come Sail Away suite to make some other cards. So, alrighty. This is what we've got. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will talk to you later. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the description below if you'll be joining me on my online live tomorrow. And I think what I'm going to do is tomorrow on the live, I'm going to give away a free paper pumpkin. How about that? If you like that, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you get notified. And we will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!